Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to my home studio. I'm a guitar builder and this is the side channel. This is a trick that people have been telling me about for years and I'm going to try it for the first time on video. Now, when you are gluing things up at an angle, like these headstock wings, they slip and they slide, especially once you have put your glue in place. Now, there has been, for decades and more, a trick, apparently, whereby you sprinkle table salt onto the joint. This creates enough friction so that the joint doesn't slip and slide and move about and misplace itself, misalign itself. How was that? Was that, did they edit that out? No, probably not. But the salt also dissolves into the glue and doesn't actually affect the joint nor the integrity of the glue, etc., etc., etc. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that now. This is both in the main video of the great build. This is both in the main Nebula video, and we thought that it would be better, at least interesting, to have just a short, quick video on the side channel as well, so that people could easily find it. So if you've already watched this, I'm sorry. Anyway, on. Glue. Alkaline Professional. We do this at Crimson. It's the Type Bond 50, as used by Gibson, for what that's worth. Clamps. They're just high enough so that I don't stab my head on them, on the regular, at least. Well, let's go. Okay, that's spread out. That's spread out. So I have some fine Himalayan table salt here. I've been wanting to try this forever. That feels so weird. Okay. You can definitely feel it. Bloody hell. Another clamp. Does that make you happy? That makes me very happy. I think I'm don't brain yourself, man. I probably put a little bit too much salt in my excitement. I don't think it needed anywhere near that much. We're good. All right, so the question is, yes, we're good. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe. This side channel is where you get short, sharp, quick tips and tricks and just randomness. The main channel, Crimson Custom Guitars, full builds, projects, one-day builds, and more nonsense. Goodbye.